we've pushed this pedal to the floor. Our engineers are reaching a practical limit of what we can squeeze from internal combustion innovation. They know, we know that electric motors can give us more.
All right, guys, so welcome back. Thank you for hanging out and spending a few moments here with me. Today, we're going to talk about the inevitable end to the Hellcat. Right now, we see the 6.2 liter in the Durango, the Jeep Trackhawk, the Charger, the Challenger, and I believe that the Durango and the Trackhawk, this is going to be the last year you could get that 6.2 liter supercharged V8 Hemi. And then I believe that in 2025, that will be the last year you'll be able to get a Charger or a Challenger with a 6.2 liter, 700 plus horsepower Hellcat. I do believe that in 2024, they will be releasing the Hellcat replacement, and that is going to be a V8 with a smaller displacement that is coupled with a handful of electrical motors.
So if a Charger can make a Charger quicker, we're in.
I don't know if they're going to go 2 in the front or 4, 1 on each of the wheels, but nobody can deny the performance that is being generated by these all-electric vehicles. Holy shit. Dude, that feels like a roller coaster.
Yes, it does.
The problem really is that the driver experience isn't really that fun. And I think that Dodge is working on something where when you step on the gas, you will actually hear something. And I believe that that is what they're saying when they say they're going to keep the driver experience while also, you know, improving the performance. It is really clear that they are not ready for an all-electric Charger or Challenger.
We won't sell electric vehicles. We will sell more motors. Better, faster Dodges. Because Dodge doesn't view EV technology as a revolution, but instead as a natural evolution of the modern muscle car.
I do believe that they are trying to make a transition, and I was saying this several months back. You know, you could get a 2.5 liter V8 that sounds amazing. And really, its primary job is to, you know, when you step on the gas, you hear that engine. And really, when you step on the gas, it's providing energy to those electrical motors, which decreases the downtime that it needs to be plugged in and recharged. So really, the main point that I'm trying to make is that in 2024, Dodge will be releasing what they have in mind to replace the current Hellcat. Now, I do believe that the 5.7 and the 392 will remain. They will hang around. Hopefully, we see some improvements to the performance, some horsepower, torque. But, you know, all in all, I do believe that Dodge is working on something that's going to be competing directly with Tesla. And I do believe that it's a half and half. It's gonna be electric motors paired up with a smaller displacement V8. And you know, the days of, you know, ripping burnouts and donuts and everything are probably going to be limited. You're gonna have an all-wheel drive, high-performance vehicle that, you know, does some crazy 0 to 60s and quarter-mile times. Personally, I love performance, but I also love listening to that V8. It's part of the driver experience, and I think that Dodge understands that, and they're not ready to let that go. I think that's what's going to separate them from many of the other competitors that are all electric. A lot of people want to still hear that their car makes noise, okay? I've driven in Teslas. It's a lot of fun, and I'll tell you what, they move, and I bet you a Tesla would absolutely destroy this thing. But to me, there is a fun element to stepping on the gas, hearing turbos, hearing a supercharger, hearing that exhaust. And I think, you know, most people within the Dodge community are not willing to give that up yet. It's sad, but in the end, you know, this is the future.
The customer profile of the Dodge brand today will be a key enabler to getting muscle car buyers into EVs tomorrow. Into EVs tomorrow.
And you know, unfortunately, we're reaching that future. We have about 3 years left before all that kind of you know, moves forward. But guys, let me know what you think in the comments below. I'm personally gonna miss the Hellcat. We still have plenty of time to enjoy this stuff, but you know, the days of all combustion engines are certainly numbered. I do believe we will hang on to the V8s though. It's just gonna be, they're gonna be smaller and more efficient.